But I think it was overlooked. No, I think it was overlooked. So it's a lesson na dapat siguro they should put more thought into the format. Alam natin bago ito, pero ang tingin ko it's something that's basic eh. No? Madaling mong makita yung problema. Kung binigyan mo lang siya ng extra thought, no? Pero wala tayong magagawa, nandiyan na.
Pero siyempre may series pa kayo sa Magnolia, but ano yan, baka number 1 agad yung makalaban yun, di ba parang
Yun nga,
tough ang magiging
yun nga ang sinasabi ko, no? Pero kasi sa akin naman, it could have been any team na parang although parang na-disincentivize mo yung number 1.